late at night. Golden gray works alone, wearing his purple suit and red tie at home. Illuminated by the computer's bright glow, lines of code on the screen as his fingers flow. In the darkness he types with no end in sight, pushing ahead through the late night, determined to finish, to get it all right. Golden thread works on into the night. His purple suit neatly pressed, red tie tight, focused and tireless by computer light. The darkness surrounds him, but he's not afraid. Golden thread pushes on, progress is made. All night he codes, no time to delay. Wearing his purple suit, red tie, save the day. The computer hums, the screen shines bright. Golden thread codes on into the night.